Once you listen to this video, everything will chase you. I'm talking about love, success, money, abundance, anything you desire. It's yours, and you don't have to go chasing it. It will chase you. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers want to remind you that if you're in a relationship that's struggling right now, or maybe you're being ghosted or going through a divorce, we can help you. LawofAttractionSolutions.com. Just go there, claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Hey, we help with abundance, we help with money, we help with success, but we really love to work with people that desire love in their life. LawofAttractionSolutions.com. It's free. Why not find out? So, high flyers, we've been taught in life many times since we were kids to hustle harder, to love stronger, to try more, try harder. But the truth is, what you chase runs away. What you embody magnetizes. You are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. Neville Goddard. Your refusal to believe this. Your refusal to believe that everything that you desire is already within you. I don't know why people choose to refuse to believe that truth, but it's a big truth. Later on, I'm going to give you a technique that will help you overcome that and start magnetizing the things you want in life. Draw them to you. Get them to chase you. And I'm not just talking about love. I'm talking about money, abundance, prosperity, new jobs, new cars, whatever it is you desire. So how do we flip the script? How do we stop chasing and start drawing it in? Well, here's a technique I call the magnetic mirror method. And I promise if you use this, you will see drastic results in your life. But you've got to be persistent. You've got to do it every day. So step one, stand in front of a mirror, preferably first thing in the morning or just before you go to bed. Look yourself in the eyes and choose one identity of you that already has everything you want. A version of you that already has whatever it is you desire. Now say the following. I am the version of me who money chases. I am the version of me who love finds. I am the version of me who success flows to. That's simple enough. Write it down. Memorize it. Use it every single day. Now, what you want to do next, after you've said that, is shift your posture and feel what it feels like to be the version of you where love just naturally comes to you, where money and abundance flow to you, where success is yours. It's almost like a birthright. And you feel yourself attracting it easily without even trying. You're not even chasing it. You're not even thinking about it. It's just coming to you. Feel that version of you. Then finally, you want to anchor it. So I recommend just snapping your fingers. You can do whatever it is that is appropriate for you. But you could snap your fingers, put your hands together, touch yourself on the shoulder. All you're doing is anchoring it. It's an NLP technique. And so every time or any time you want to feel that energy of having it all, of being chased by love, being chased by money, being chased by success, just snap your fingers, put your hands together, or touch yourself on the shoulder. That's easy enough. You can do that. Now do this every night or every morning in front of the mirror. It only takes you about 3 minutes. So high flyers, what I like to do is when I have a negative thought throughout the day, I will simply say to myself, cancel that thought. And then I reawaken that feeling of having it all, of not needing to chase, not needing to run after it, to beg for it, but knowing that it is easily coming to me. Now, Wayne Dyer used to say, be realistic. Expect miracles. Be realistic. I want to see you in a mindset where you're expecting what you desire plus even more, even better. You see, your outer world rearranges itself. It kind of moves itself, takes a new position when you stop needing and start being the best version of you. When you shift from needing and wanting and chasing to embodying, the entire game changes. Love starts texting first. Money starts arriving unexpectedly. Opportunities show up when you're doing less, not more. Okay, here's your assignment. Are you ready? Do the magnetic mirror method for 7 days and then watch and see what happens. You're going to notice a drastic change in the energy and the flow of energy in your life. Watch love and money and success and abundance and prosperity start chasing you. It's not because you're lucky, it's because you've stopped being the seeker and you've started to become the source. You realize that within you, you are a co-creator, and everything you desire, it's already yours. It's already present. Now, high flyers, this magnetic mirror method really works. So I want you to share your results with it. Come back here in a few days. That's your assignment. Come back and share the kind of results you're getting. I know you're going to be astonished. Here's another video waiting just for you.